Home maintenance masonry at repairsforyourhome.com here in Hueytown, Alabama. Getting ready to fill in this little area right here that's getting washed out. It's caused the driveway to drop about 3-4 inches right here. You can see where this driveway was all the way up there, and it's dropped down because this area right in here is getting washed out and the concrete slab is falling. It's got a crack up through there. You can see where it's cracked and started falling this way a pretty good bit. You can see where somebody's tried to repair this before. Did an okay job, but we're gonna make it 100% better. I'm gonna chisel this section off right here, get the area cleaned out in there and get it ready to pack solid with concrete. I'll come back with another video to show you what that looks like, and we appreciate you watching all the videos at repairsforyourhome.com. If you have a situation like this, Steve has a solution for you, so give him a call, and hopefully we'll be taking care of your driveway problems for you. Thank you for watching all our videos. Home maintenance masonry coming back with this end video for repairsforyourhome.com here. You can see where I've chiseled this out, repacked it back in with new concrete. It's kind of hard to see it, the sun's shining, but you can see here where I filled it all in. Made like a little sloop right there. Get that water out of there. Looks nice, neat, and clean. Real good job here. We also filled this in across here. Real clean cut. And we poured this sidewalk over here. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to repairsforyourhome.com. If you have any concrete needs or any other masonry needs, brick, block, stone, stucco, whatever, just give us a call at repairsforyourhome.com.